Okay, Trappy, what's the problem with giveaways, bro? Problem with giveaways is this. There's always just one winner. Somebody's gonna win a car plus 40, 50, 60, 30,000. And then the rest of the people are just like, damn, I wish I would have won, right? So our giveaways are different. We give away some dope ass merch, right? We give away some dope ass drip. You know what I mean? You get your stuff fast, and we genuinely want to see you happy. So how do we do that? How do we keep our movement, our people, our community happy? We're gonna do 5 prizes. First place, Kobe, EK. Y56 yellow, all restored, super street featured car, give or take almost 290 horsepower. You guys know every inch of this car. Second place, 500 bucks. You win, I PayPal this money over to you. If you're local, hey, come pick it up in cash if you want. Third place, exclusive with hardware. See how it's like almost in a brick? Yeah. It's dope. Frank, thank you so much for being a part of this. Frank Downstar is giving us his exclusive LCAs. I'll post pictures of this tomorrow. I kind of like the packaging, Trap, so I just wanted to keep it like that. But these are for EG and DC, and it comes with hardware, like the same hardware as Kobe. So I'll put this guy over here. Third place, Potenzas, Bridgeport Tires. What did I say, Bridgeport? Bridgestone, Connecticut's in my mind. I love you, CT. Bridgestone tires, you get all 4 shipped. Guys, everything that we're giving you is free shipping. You don't have to pay, oh man, I don't want to buy the shipping, etc., etc. I don't have enough money to get this car delivered. We're delivering you this car for free, right? So we've got second place, 500 bucks. Third place, the Downstar LCAs. I'll show you a photo of them tomorrow. Third place, you get 4 summer tires from Bridgestone. Thank you so much to Elite Garage. I appreciate everything that you do for the gunner community. We all love you, brother. And last but not least, Trappy, Mickey Thompson ET Street 2s. 225, 5015. These are semi-slicks, guys. You'll be able to go really fast on this tire. I really wanted to try this tire again, but the Toyo Triple R has been kicking ass, Trap.
Yeah, that's a good tire.
That tire's been doing some work. So now you have it, right? You understand it. You go on keepgunning.com. There's a giveaway bag. There's a giveaway section. You participate. If your number gets called out when we announce the draw date, you win one of 5 things. So now it's just not, hey, there's only one prize. It's Kobe. We're delivering it to you. There's 5 different chances to win something. We do this out of pure genuineness. Like, we want to see people happy. I cannot wait until you guys start to open up your packages. You see what hat color you got. You see what wristband you got. You see if I stuffed any extra stuff in there, pause. But yeah, man, enjoy this experience. Enjoy this giveaway. I just felt like we needed to change it because all these so-called raffles and giveaways, Trap, it's like, let's be brutally honest, brother. They make a lot of money.
Yeah.
So why are we being so greedy? You're making a whole bunch of money. Spread it out through your following. Don't just use your following to fill up your pocket. Use your following to influence and help them. That's what this whole gunner movement is. I am not the only one winning in this movement. Every gunner wins in this Keep Gunning movement. So again, the link is in my bio. It brings you right to the bag. You've got 5 different chances to win something. You don't pay for shipping. I love you guys, man. Good luck to everyone. Keep an eye out on your tracking. A lot of you will get your orders today. Keep gunning.